I love a girl who can balance, babe.
Hello and welcome friends, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today I am going to tell about this Instagram trending reel which you have seen in the preview. If you want to follow this trend, keep watching this video. So guys, you need VN application to make this video. This application easily find on the Play Store. So first install the VN application, and when you open this application you will get interface like this. And guys, we need 3 photos to make this video. And to import the photos, click on the plus icon and new project option and select the 3 photos from your phone library. Now guys, you have to forward from here. You can see you have to take like this. After that, first to delete the VN default clip from here, okay, and select the ratio of 9.16. Now guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given in the description. You have to download reel video from my Telegram channel. After that, we will extract the music or audio from that reel, okay. So to extract the music, click on the plus icon and the music option, and have to click on the plus icon and click on the extract from video option. Now select that downloaded reel and then have to click on the OK from here. Now guys, you have to click on choose option and have to done from here. In this way, music will be added. Now guys, we have to trim the photos according to audio. So first I trimmed the photos. After that I will tell you the photos durations, okay. Okay, so you have seen how to trim the photos. It's very simple. Now note the photos durations. First photo duration is 2.16 second, second photo duration is 2.85 second, and the last photo duration is 0.70 second. Okay, so you have to keep durations like this. Now we will add the text on here. To add the text, click on the plus icon and have to click on text option and input the text like this, okay. Okay, you have to type like this: I love a girl who can slay one day. Now have to done from here, okay. Now guys, increase the text timeline till the end of the video, okay. And now you have to split from here. Here you can see split option, split from here. Now you have to click from here, click the text timeline and split from here also, okay. Then you have to click on the second timeline and have to click the edit option and remove this text, okay. Now you have to type here and look homeless the next, okay, and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the third text timeline and have to click edit option. Again you will remove this text like this, and here you will type balance baby. Now guys, you can select the fonts from here. Click on the fonts and select the fonts according to you. Then you will click on the apply to all option, okay. In this way, this font apply to all text. Now guys, you can select the text color also. Click on the any text timeline and edit from here. Now you have to click on color grading option, okay, and select the color according to your choice, but I wouldn't change because I like white color. You can change according to you. And then have to apply to all option and done from here. So in this way, your video is ready to save. This video is very easy to make. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option and done from here. Now guys, you have to click on save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, you can easily make this video. How you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want viral reels editing videos. So guys, see you in the next video with the new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.